Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Bully Threatens to Unalive Police After Terrorizing Her Town.
She here or is she at Love's?
She's here.
Okay.
A regular customer woke up to go to work and she was in his car.
She was in, wait, what was it? She was in someone else's car?
Yeah, so he brought her up here because she swears she knows somebody here. Her ride left her here.
I dealt with her this morning at Love's. She was stealing stuff from Love's.
Oh. Yeah, she's tweaking and under the influence. Like talking to herself.
Oh, yeah, she's got, yeah.
Now she's telling customers she wants to kill herself.
Oh.
Like, she's right inside. I let her plug in her phone. I bought her a Gatorade just to shut her up for a minute, but she a hot mess.
No, she is, yeah, okay.
The officer heads inside to confront the suspect, who he immediately recognizes from a shoplifting call in the morning.
What are you doing?
I'm here getting food. I asked her, and asked there was a lady outside smoking you. Yes, literally asked these two, they ringed it up. They ringed up everything that I had.
Okay, the issue isn't you not paying for stuff.
No,
this time...
I'm banned. Yes, I know. I was telling them about that. But I'm watching video.
You're not banned from here, but you're causing issues here. Whose car were you in earlier?
One of my friends.
Who's your friend?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. How about then I just arrest you and take you to jail since it doesn't matter? How's that? Because it doesn't matter to me either.
Go ahead. But like, what's the cost?
What's the definition of probable cause? Don't play this game because you don't know. You have no idea. I could have arrested you this morning at Love's.
Tell me a very, very good, like, tell me something that I actually did.
You stole.
They had that shit up here.
Remember the two waters and the Red Bull? Remember that?
And my mom.
It's still not yours.
Okay, my mom works there.
Your mom doesn't work there.
My mom works. She's part of the fucking.
Okay. All right. So what's the plan for the rest of the day? You're just gonna keep walking around town. I'm taking you somewhere.
I'm about to go sit somewhere where I can actually stay.
Where?
Not a store.
Huh?
Not a store.
There's nowhere in Atkinson, Illinois where you're gonna be able to just stay without causing trouble.
I can find shit and I don't cause problems.
Where'd you get that vape?
Don't like my. What the f does it matter for?
So you didn't have that earlier, and last time you showed me you had 67 cents in your bank account. So how can you afford a probably $15 vape?
Motherfuckers can just no. Who loves that plastic? I've never seen anybody like that. Like, especially with like these, that's always been like that. That's been like that. I don't care about that. I was thirsty, so I came in, I bought a couple of drinks, and I got out.
She paid for everything here?
Asked me if I wanted a receipt. I always say no. That's where I fuck up at. That's where y'all get me fucked up at. Is that?
Quit cussing. You're in public. Go outside.
I'm a grown ass woman.
Yeah, exactly. So you can talk like one. So quit cussing. You're acting like a.
I will talk about how I went about anything and anything on this planet. That is, I'll talk about how I talk about it.
Is that your charger?
The cord is hers.
Cord is hers?
Yeah, the cord is hers.
Quit cussing. I already told you quit cussing.
You're not.
The cop waiting for her to steal something, man. He itching to take her to jail, which I don't blame him. You know, it's better to lock her up than to keep having to get calls about the same person, you know. And then especially it's getting towards the end of the day, since he's probably working morning shift, you don't want to pass this stuff along to the evening shift and same old stuff. You know what I mean? This is the second time he's running into her today. So I can understand why he just wants to lock her up.
Are you my mom? Are you my mom? Am I under 18? No, exactly. So I can do whatever the I want. Thank you.
So where are you planning on going?
Literally anywhere. I'm just trying to have my feet. People come pick me the fuck up. I have nowhere to go. I'm still fucking trying to figure this shit out.
Okay, so obviously I told you that I would give you a ride. Which way do you need to go? Towards Chicago or towards Quad Cities? Do you not want to ride? All right. Don't come back to Casey's or you'll be arrested. I told her not to come back here or else I'm going to arrest her, so.
Okay. But yeah, a regular customer brought her here because he woke up and she was in
Oh,
his
sorry.
Unless you're busy.
in his truck.
I'm hungry.
Do you know who that was?
I don't know his name. And he said that he didn't want to call the cops because he didn't want to look like that. So he kind of, and she swore to God she knew me.
She does. She's got mental issues. I mean, obviously. If she comes back here, give us a call.
Okay.
I'm just going to keep my eye on her, though, and just be in the area.
Okay.
Hopefully, it'd be ideal if she'd go to the hospital with me voluntarily, but she's not going to.
Yeah.
The officer patrols the area while keeping an eye on the suspect. About a half hour later, a family calls for help when she tries breaking into their truck.
I've been dealing
Get
with her all day.
out. What?
Some people are just stupid. My truck's locked.
Is she trying to get in?
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Go away. He ain't.
That's my fucking mother. That is my mother.
It's a guy.
Bro, they told me that they could give me.
Go or you're gonna go to jail.
Bro, you're being a
Your options.
bro.
I don't care what I'm being. Go or you're gonna go to jail.
These are my people.
You don't know who this guy
You
is.
need to shut the fuck up. Get the fuck off my dick because I will kill you. That's big.
Come here.
Stop squeezing my shit so hard.
Oh yeah, gotta get it together. Mm-hmm.
You're under arrest.
Why are you screaming now? You was just acting tough.
You're under arrest.
Please! Please! Stop squeezing me so fucking hard! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! What officer just manhandled me like over so go names? What is wrong? See, look at you. This whole thing's a joke to you, isn't it? You won't get some fucking. You won't get some justice. Yeah. You won't get that, bitch. Trust me.
You're going to jail.
Okay, and that's what I'm talking to them goofy ass motherfuckers there. Bitch, I know you're not about to put your fucking hands on me. Take this bitch. Stop grabbing my fucking hand like that. You're literally squeezing me. You just pressed down on my stomach with your biggest. Bro, do you not realize that shit? Do you not realize that shit? That you're fucking big? You're a fat bitch, bro. Come on. Why would you sit on me?
That's rude.
I don't give a f. You just tackle me like a fucking grown man. And here we go again. Back to...
Well,
Bitch, I want my shoes. Bitch, whatever. Oh, I'm walking. Okay. You love to see this, I'm sorry. You love to see your favorite movie, huh? Favorite movie, huh? Stop gripping me like that, bitch. I'm right here. I am right fucking here, bitch. Touching me like that! And you're supposed to pat with the back of your hand, you dumb bitch. Are you not? That's a man's duty? Yeah, women cops can do that shit.
cool. I'm not a woman.
You need to learn shit about your job that you apparently got. Like learning, like, I'm getting you a child, bro. You ugly bitch, stole my shit. Over here, through my panties, bitch. Who the fuck are you? This bitch gonna get smacked the fuck out of. Put all my shit in there. Cause you're not touching it, bitch. I dare you. Get the fuck out of my face.
Well, this is probably going to get dropped, and you know, honestly, she does need to probably, you know, get on some medications and things of that nature or whatever.
You nasty, ragged bitch! Let's see what happens. And nobody even did anything, not even you. That's a fucking cut move, bud. This motherfucker literally threw my head into the fucking rocks. He put his knee on my fucking back. I could not breathe. He's going, and you better fucking do something about that. Bitch, you giggling for what, you ugly, nasty bitch? Stay the fuck out of business. I don't know what the fuck you doing.
Oh, the blade. I saw it earlier when she was digging through that, but... Oh. What? Resisted. It's called consequences to your actions.
You see how I tackled me after I said something?
I didn't tackle you. I put you on the ground. After you said you're going to kill me? Yeah, that's so now you're going to jail for threats to public official.
All right, that's mental shit. All right.
It's mental shit? What do you mean?
First of all, panic. Like, for one, whenever you're like, I got sex, first of all, literally right now, I can't even fucking talk to you. Y'all are crazy fucking
We treated you with the utmost respect earlier. I know that, but when you threaten one of us, things tend to escalate.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's not what
At
Sergeant
least I didn't
Galloway
put my hands
said.
on the way. My hands were down the whole time. But then when I was like, put it on.
Taser.
That's a taser, too.
Yeah.
But like I said,
Can't have that.
You have every right to protect yourself, but when you
pull them out for, pull them bitches out for the mission.
dang!
Yeah.
You better put my shit down.
It's another felony.
There you are. Well, we have to search your bag because we got to make sure there's no contraband in there, any weapons that go into the jail along with drugs, okay, too. Do you have anything like that in your bag?
The only thing that there is like one empty cart somewhere at the bottom of the bag, and it's just
Any marijuana, any drugs?
no, that's it.
Okay. You're going to go here. We're going to take a right.
The suspect faces charges for terroristic threatening, resisting arrest, drug possession, and unlawful possession of a taser. She pleaded not guilty to all charges and faces trial later this month. If you enjoyed this video,
And faces trial later this month. I mean, like I said, yeah. I mean, someone like this, jail isn't necessarily going to help them. She really just needs some real help.